everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Estefania and this is my beauty channel. If you are a follower or a subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for watching my videos. Now let's get to the point of this video. Today I wanted to do a bright, colorful look because I got some goodies that I received from Octali again. I spoke about this Octali company in my previous video, so if you want to see more or hear more information about where I got these goodies, and go ahead and go to that video. I will link it here. So yeah, today I got some goodies from Morphe. I got to choose this, and I don't know, I just had to get this palette. This palette is just so beautiful. Watch when I open this, you guys are gonna be amazed. So I just had to get it. It's screaming summer. So the palette is called the Morphe Your True Selfie Artistry Palette, and this is the 15T, which is such a beauty. Like, watch. OMG, look at that. I love this color, and of course we're going to be playing with that color today. And also, which I thought was so amazing, you got this brush set, and this is the All I Want 6-piece eye brush collection, and it's all eye brushes. So you'll get in this collection, it includes a tapered crease brush, a line definer brush, a firm blending brush, a small chisel brush, a smudge brush, a double-sided angle brush, plus spoolie, and a small glitzy bag. So I am obsessed. This bag is just so beautiful. I love it. The black and the glitter. And then you get this, the 6-piece brush set, which I was so amazed because I've heard so many great things about the Morphe brushes. I only own like 2 of them, and it's because I received them in BoxyCharm, and they're like big brushes. I never owned actual eye brushes by Morphe, and I've heard such great things about their eye brushes. So let's get them out of this packaging because we don't need this packaging. I love that they're gold and black. Oh my god, they look so fancy. So this is how they look, and let's see how they feel. Oh my god, they feel so good. And a bag as well, like girl. If you want to see how I create a fun, bold, colorful look using a new Morphe palette, then just keep watching. So of course I already did my face, as you can tell. I wanted to dedicate this time of this video to the palette and to my eyes. So I just did my base, and I used a lot of regular stuff that I would use on any other video. So it's nothing new. So let's start. And I wanted to do some swatches. So let's go ahead and do some swatches for ya. And I'm gonna do them like right here because I always do them here and then it's like so awkward to show. So I'm gonna do them right here so that I can just show you guys, like, you know, show you #artist, which is the green. Oh my god, and I'm so bad at swatching, I'm sorry. So let's try that again, but this is already feels so creamy, and wow, love that color. See the beauty. So that is #artist, and then we're gonna try #blend the rules. Ooh, she's a beauty. Love those colors. And then #glam is like a greenish, dark greenish, like black. Oh my god, that matte colors. And this is relationship goals, which is like a dark like a mauve color. Let's try that again. Okay, that's good, that's better. Morphe Babe is the one that I'm going to be using today. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. No, this is the firm blender brush. So let's go right into strike a pose, which is this brownish, light brown color. So what we're going to be doing is building up the crease. So I'm going to be adding strike a pose, then I'm going to be adding throwback, which is a darker brown, or maybe adding Morphe Babe, which is the orange, and then adding throwback, and then we're going to go in with the green and half cut crease. So let's do that. Work that right into the crease. Love the color and love this brush. So I'm just doing circular motions and blending that little by little. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Babe color, which is this orange right here, with the same brush, and I'm just going to pack that right below that. I'm gonna take the tapered blending brush and just blend this a little up here. I want to bring it up just a little bit. Okay, that's blending so nice. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that brown. So I'm gonna keep adding the orange until it's dark enough for my liking. Lastly, we're gonna go in with the brown color, which is Throwback. And we're gonna add that right into the crease as well. We're just darkening this area a little more. And you're gonna actually add this to the outer V as well. You're gonna be adding the brown color until it's you know, a bit dark. So you're gonna add it little by little. Back in with the orange and just add that, just in case we lost the color. So very lightly with the tapered blending brush, you're gonna go in and add that color and blend it while you add the color. Ooh, but I'm loving it. Before I go in with the green color, I want to go do the other eye, and then we'll do the fun part, which is the green part. And now that both eyes are done with the orange and the brown, we're gonna go in with the concealer and we're gonna cut the crease, and we're only gonna cut half of the crease today. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my Milani concealer and just apply that right in the beginning. I'm gonna actually use this Morphe small, I think it's chisel brush. We're just going to cut the crease. So now I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to take the green color. Ooh, that's pretty. So I'm just going to apply this on top of the concealer where you cut the cut crease. So you want to be very precise. Do it exactly on top of the cut that you did. And take your time packing that on to the eyelid. That is beautiful. I'm obsessed. That is pretty. Love it. This is a very, very good brush for what I'm using it for, the cut crease and filling in the eyeshadow. It is very good. It's just getting into the area that I want it. It's not going above the cut. It is so good. Okay, so now that we have the green, now we're gonna go in with the brown again, and you're gonna mix the brown and the green on the outer V to make them connect, and so that the green doesn't look like you just slapped it on there. We mixed it, it looks a little lighter in the center and then it's dark on the outer V. That's what you want. That's done. We're gonna go with the under eye, and under the eye area we're gonna do the dark brown and the orange. First we're gonna take the dark brown, put it very close to the waterline, and the brown is Throwback, hashtag Throwback. I'm gonna start with that one and apply it very close to the waterline. And we're gonna take the orange color. I'm gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I like this little side of it because it's very small and it gets into that like under eye area very good. So I'm gonna take the orange color, which is Morphe Babe, and just blend that. Apply that underneath the brown and then blend that. Take the blending brush and just blend those two together. It looks so nice. I love the eye look. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glitter on to center of the eye where I would highlight. I feel like that needs a pop of color. My NYX glitter glue or glitter primer. Take a little bit of that in my Real Techniques Pixel Point eyeliner brush and apply a little bit right to this area. Set a little bit and then I go applying a lot. In the inner corner. That's what it's called. I couldn't freaking figure out what it was. It's the inner corner, duh. And we're gonna add this beautiful green glitter. Like you needed that little pop in the inner corner. Skip the part of the glitter for the inner corner if you're gonna wear this out, you know, and this is a more wearable look if you're not wearing the glitter, of course. So then I'm gonna apply the Grande Drama mascara and both top and bottom lashes. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use this Lancome Ombre Hypnose Stylo in color Onyx, which is black, of course, and I'm gonna apply that on the waterline. Like I have an eyeliner forever. These things are so good, these Lancome eyeshadow sticks, but I've been using them as eyeliner. So yeah. So after you have that on the waterline, then you can go in with the lashes and we're almost done. Oh, wait a minute. Highlight the brow bone. Oh, I gotta highlight the brow bone. The same highlighter by Gerard Cosmetics. And I'm gonna use this Real Techniques base shadow brush. So for today, I'm using the Secret Garden lashes, and I'm actually a brand ambassador for them. I will link their information down below so you guys can check them out. And I'm gonna be using the Daffodil lashes, and cute, love them. That's the way they look. Add a little bit of lash glue, and the lash glue I use is by Kiss, and this is the Strip Lash Adhesive and Clear, and it's with aloe. While we wait for the lashes to dry, I'm gonna go in with the lipstick, and I'm gonna be using the Pixie by Petra lipstick, and I'm using the color Orange Red, bright color. Whew! Such a pretty color. And then I'm gonna top that off with the IB Beauty lip topper in Cinnabunny. So let's see if these lashes are dry. Lashes are in, so that means we're done with our look. Let me take this headband out. This might be a little bit bright for you guys liking, so you can tone down the lip a little bit. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial of this little cut crease bold look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I already said that, but thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Mwah.